Making a hole is easy, but getting the screw to sit flat, turns out there are a lot of ways countersinking can go wrong, but I've got your WoodChip tip for that. If you've ever had to countersink a hole with one of these fruit juice style bits, you'll know that getting a round countersink is almost impossible. It doesn't seem to matter whether you're using a hand drill or drill press, it's slow and always seems to make a triangular countersink at best. That's because you're using the wrong bit. If you're drilling for a wood screw, try using one of these drill and countersink combo bits. This one from Carbatool has a ball bearing depth stop with Delrin cap, so you can't mar the surface. The results really speak for themselves. However, it isn't cheap, and if you want a different size hole, you need to buy a completely new bit, and that adds up pretty quickly. What if you don't want to fork out a lot of money, or you want to use it on a bolt hole or after drilling? Look for these cheap zero flute bits. I picked up this 4-pack from eBay for about $20 dues. They work great in wood, plastic or metal. Pretty much the only thing that could make these better would be a depth stop. So next time you're trying to countersink, stop trying to make orange juice and use the right bit.